Hazare ends his 13-day-old fast, breaks his fast accepting a glass of coconut juice and honey. People's power as celebrations break out across India.
There are die-hard supporters, vocal protesters, performers and revelers. They're of a nation which has been tired of corruption for a very long time, all brought together by one man. In the next half an hour, we will meet Anna's army, an army which stood by him for over 12 days and fought a battle rarely seen in India, a battle which many say is now partly won.
Meet Gandhi or Manohar Anand. One of the faces in the crowd of Anna's supporters, excessively filmed by the media and cheered by the public. This former army soldier has given himself the task of energizing the crowds at the Ramlila Maidan.
मेरा इधर जो रोल है, जनता को ऊर्जा देना, जनता को बल देना, जनता को उत्साही करना और हम चले एक साथ कदम से कदम मिला के एक साथ बढ़ेंगे अन्ना जी के साथ। इसीलिए जनता देशभक्ति के गीत पर बहुत सारा देश जगा हुआ है, इतना फर्क पड़ा है कि मुझे खुशी होती है, उमंग है।
In 1992, Manohar lost over 40 family members in the Latur earthquake. Five years later, he joined Anna Hazare's protest for the right to information at Azad Maidan in Mumbai. Ever since, he has followed him blindly, even now in this Jan Lokpal campaign.
ये जो जन लोकपाल बिल जो है, जन लोकपाल मतलब एक पालन करता लोगों का, पालन करता यानी भ्रष्टाचार पर एक कठोर शासन करने के लिए उनको और भ्रष्टाचार को एक बिल्कुल मतलब ये कम करने के लिए, भ्रष्टाचार समाप्त करने के लिए ये प्रधानमंत्री साहब न्यायपालिका के ऊपर एक नियंत्रण रखने के लिए ये ऐसे लोगों के लिए ये जन लोकपाल अच्छा है।
But apart from performers, there are several volunteers in the crowd as well. 30-year-old Puneet is deep in slush and mud, clearing a waterlogged Ramlila ground. Unmindful of his designer watch and expensive shoes getting messed up. An Air India crew member, Sharma, says he came straight to Ramlila ground after landing in Delhi.
Today's world, it has become just a Facebook world. Everything starts from Facebook and ends up in Facebook. It was Anna who started the movement and people are here in Ramlila ground. Otherwise it would have started on the Facebook and would have died down there.
Kaushal Mundra carries this banner of support from the non-resident Indians. The 38-year-old chartered accountant travelled from Dubai with 4 friends a few days ago. A first-time protester, Mundra raises slogans and regularly updates Twitter. He says protests are banned in the UAE. So, he flew to Delhi to show his support.
Emotional wave has been created by this movement. Now is the time for Team Anna to channelize the energy which they have been able to generate. See, we Indians always believe in idealism. We believe in corruption-free India. We believe we have an ideal as Gandhiji. But we never got an opportunity to become like that because we have become a part of the system.
Ajit Panikkar is the CEO of a sales company in Mumbai. After watching the protests on TV for a few days, he decided to stand up and be counted.
ऐसे भ्रष्ट नेताओं को हेलीकॉप्टर से नीचे फेंकने वाला पायलट अन्ना हजारे के नाम।
He says he sent an email to his staff of 425 to also join in.
Yesterday, I did write to all my employees telling them that there's a different way you can spend your Sunday and Monday, which is a holiday. So if you believe in the cause, come down, be part of it.
This cart parked in the middle of Azad Maidan gets instant attention. Vijay Jadhav, a farmer from Sangli, says he hauled it all the way from Anna's village, Ralegaon Siddhi. 400 kilometers from Mumbai, walking barefoot to make a statement.
इसका एक ही उपाय है और वो है हमारे आज के गांधी, हमारे अन्ना, और उनको समर्थन देने के लिए लोगों में मैं जागृति करके आया हूँ।
हमें नंगा करके रास्तों में छोड़ दिया फुटपाथों पे।
Many here don't understand the Jan Lokpal bill. 63-year-old Tulsi Ram, a farmer from Nandurbar, says sheer frustration with the system has brought him here. Tulsi Ram says corruption in his village forced him to migrate and look for work in Mumbai.
ठिबक सिंचनमध्ये भ्रष्टाचार,
corruption in agriculture, corruption in society. What do I say? You are aware of everything.
खूप काय आहे हो, तुम्हाला सगळं माहिती.
The social media and mass media campaign has contributed to Anna's success, which is why there are hundreds here for Anna, but none at all for this particular protest by the disabled, going on for 175 days.
India Against Corruption Mumbai लिखना, IAC Mumbai, कोई फोटो मत करना पड़ेगा.
26-year-old Kevin Gala, an IT engineer from Dadar, is one of the many who have made this campaign a success through the social media. He spends 8 hours a day on his laptop updating the India Against Corruption website and tweeting about the protests.
We have got 25,000 followers on our Mumbai group. We have got Twitter account 2,000 followers. Anybody who reports a corruption thing, we would just tweet it up or just put it up on a platform, and then we would take people and protest.
Show me your handkerchiefs. Are you ready to spoil the handkerchief? Yes. Use the handkerchiefs to clean the buses.
From social media to social service. Bhargav Mohan and his friends urge people to clean up their city, Bangalore. Mohan now wears an Anna topi instead of his favorite baseball cap. But feels shouting slogans is not enough. He's keen to show that Anna supporters are even ready to get their hands dirty.
Before 10 days also, I'm not going to clean my house also. Okay? Today, I inspired by Anna Hazare to clean the city, to clean the country. Please come to Freedom Park. We are working for you people.
On a Sunday afternoon, Bhargav and his friends clean buses, wipe screens and attract onlookers. They also accept that the Jan Lokpal bill may not be an instant cure.
It will take little bit time, but it will clean perfectly. अभी आप दवा लेता, कुछ प्रॉब्लम रहे तो दवा लेना पड़ेगा. 5 दिन लेना ही पड़ेगा आपको.
The crowds at Freedom Park are largely college students and IT professionals. Many have skipped work.
I'm 20 years old and I've been trying to get a voter's ID for the past 2 years. We want the government servants to be accountable to us as well.
You won't come up in life without paying any bribe.
Unless the Jan Lokpal bill is passed, we will not stop this movement.
Anand has been talking to young people about problems they face with the system. A senior delivery manager at Wipro, he admits to paying bribes in the past. But now he feels things will change.
You feel that, okay, you have to do this like another check post where you have to pay and then get passed. But then now that with the groundswell support, you are now okay to say, no, we will not do it. And then that's why I think the people are here.
In Hyderabad, it's 6 p.m. and the crowd at People's Plaza near the Hussain Nagar Lake has dwindled. But loyalists like Neeraj Kashikar return every evening to organize protests.
I was informed and there's something going on in Hyderabad and I felt proud. Let's go, let's join. When I came here, I was totally inspired. Just I stood on for the first day with the candle.
The 21-year-old engineering student distributes copies of a documentary film he has made called Anna Ki Andhi. Coming from a political family, he says he has seen corruption up close, but chose to reject it.
Now I've realized that I should be a part of Anna and do something for the nation to remove it.
At Park Street in Kolkata, it's a mix of the old, the young and the spirited. Like 23-year-old Komal Shah, who spends hours chanting slogans. Even urging onlookers to join her. For Komal, time or distance is not an issue.
The government has made the system in that way that each and every people, wantedly or unwantedly, getting a part of a corruption.
For 31-year-old Mukti too, this is a first protest. She openly admits to paying a bribe, but vows not anymore.
ये जो मूवमेंट चालू हुआ, इसके बाद से अब मन में ये लगता है कि नहीं, we are also part of it. हम लोग भी इसको बढ़ावा देते हैं कुछ हद तक, तो हम लोग को भी stop करना पड़ेगा. Each and individual will have to come forward and stop this.
अन्ना जी के साथ हैं.
Fight against corruption, यार. I support Anna. Do you?
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, सिर्फ मैं अन्ना हजारे को सपोर्ट करने आई हूँ.
At Ground Zero, this man sat in the shadow of the Mahatma, fasting for more than 10 days. The crowds watched closely, listened keenly, and stepped out to be counted. Some had other agendas, but most were here to do their little bit in the fight against corruption. After the break, more voices from Anna's army tell us what brought them out to protest.
I was very impressed, and that time he said that they were going for a hunger strike at Jantar Mantar, so I joined it that day.
My slogan will carry some weight.
Geeta Gupta, a 60-year-old housewife, is an unlikely face of protest. A rebel mom who argued with the children to be here. Geeta says she joined the protests in April after hearing Arvind Kejriwal speak at an institute.
I was very impressed, and that time he said that they were going for a hunger strike at Jantar Mantar, so I joined it that day. We were sleeping on the roads, we were using public bathrooms, we were there all the time. और हर चीज़ की भी तो सीमा होती है.
This time again, Geeta was detained at the Chhatrisal Stadium protesting Anna's arrest
रखा है, बच्चों को छोड़ के आई है.
and was on fast there till her children forced her home.
Wherever I go, my daughter follows me, and she's very worried about, I don't get hurt or, under a stampede or something.
मुझे लगता है कि हम जल्दी ही विजय प्राप्त कर लेंगे.
जरूर करेंगे, जरूर करेंगे.
She comes daily to the Ramleela Maidan to meet fellow protesters and then heads home.
हमारी लड़ाई जारी रहेगी. कहाँ थी?
To be greeted by her worried children.
गाड़ी पार्क करने की भी जगह नहीं थी.
Her daughter, a housewife, says her mother's decision to turn protester is still sinking in.
Go on to the streets, face the police, face the government, anything, you know. Yeah, because I have never seen this, so it is taking me time to understand.
Anna Hazare's anti-corruption campaign has tapped the country's deep-rooted frustration. The crowds pour in through the day. Many remain through the night. Some silently protest, and some join in the frenzy. By next morning, only a few have stayed back.
1947 में आया था ना अपना देश आजाद।
Like this group of over 50 farmers from Rohtak, camping here since the 16th of August. Doing what they do best, protest.
अपने मांग के लिए, अपनी पब्लिक के लिए हर बार मांग करी है और अपनी आर पार की लड़ाई करी है।
82-year-old Bhalaram equates this with the freedom struggle of 1947, when he was barely 17. He says he does not understand the Jan Lokpal bill, but is protesting against the rich and powerful stashing away public money.
मैंने झंडे ठाए, आगे लेकर आगे मर मिटाएंगे। ये पब्लिक की आँख खुलगी, पब्लिक देश न उजड़न नहीं देगी। बिल्कुल नहीं उजड़न देंगे देश न धनी जीवा हैं इतने, ये देश के धनी हम।
In the early morning, students also rush in, trading classes for television cameras.
हाँ लाइव करोगे या रिकॉर्ड करोगे? और जोर जोर से ताली बजा के देश सारा पुकारे।
Sanjay Prabhakar and Maya Sharma of the Sham Sansar Theatre Group are professional performers, used to dealing with the media. Since the morning, Sanjay has moved from one television platform to another. Sanjay says he also runs a local newspaper. And each time he needs to renew his license, he has to pay a bribe. So he decided to protest through his music.
गीतों से लोगों में एक जोश पैदा होता है, उत्साह होता है कि जो हम बोल नहीं पाते उसको गीतों के माध्यम से जल्दी से कन्वे कर सकते हैं। अन्ना जी के लिए नए गीत, नए स्वर में नई ऊर्जा जब है, सब नया होना चाहिए, पुराना क्यों लेके चले? क्या नए में दम नहीं है क्या? अन्ना आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। मातरम, मातरम, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं।
Though the response to the Anna movement here in Kolkata was tepid at first, but as the days progressed, more and more people started coming in. From young college students to those who at the far end of their lives have suddenly found a fresh purpose.
70-year-old Manik Dabriwala is not content just reading about Anna or discussing him with his wife.
Biggest blunder they did, they arrested Anna in the house.
For the first time, he has taken to the streets, marching with anger, hope and pride.
I feel inside, from my inside, I feel so happy that I am reaching the slogans. And my slogan will carry some weight.
His wife Shobha watches from the balcony. She is angry too, with rising prices and with petty corruption in her day-to-day life.
If there would have been no scam, there would be money in plenty in India. There would be no need of bribery. कुछ हद तक तो कम होता ना? Because I cannot use my own money in my own way I want, in the correct channel the way I want to use.
Bhavna Upadhyay has been teaching in the US for the last 10 years. She was on a holiday in Chennai when she met volunteers from the India Against Corruption group. Inspired, she has now joined them and has no plans of returning to the US.
People who I've often seen as shopping or going to movies, they were suddenly talking about public meetings, about doing street plays and about campaigning. It was a very, very different feeling and I was kind of affected by it.
दर्द नहीं होता है, जलदोजम भी नहीं है, क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको बॉडी में?
62-year-old Dulyachand Daga is a Baba Ramdev follower and a yoga teacher himself. He made it his routine to come to LB Road to offer free massages to the protesters on indefinite fast. He's also giving them tips on how to stay fit without food.
जो देश की सेवा कर रहे हैं, अगर मैं उनकी सेवा कर रहा हूँ, उससे बड़ा पुण्य क्या है मेरे?
Different cities, different profiles, and perhaps even different motives. There are shades of middle class awakening and some of mass hysteria. But Anna Hazare has managed to put them all together on one platform.
There are days when the crowds dwindle to a small number, and then there are days like this, the last day of the agitation, when the crowd swells with overwhelming passion, excitement and a sense of achievement. Many here might not know the subtleties of the Lokpal draft or its final impact, but for many, this is the beginning of a change. Goodbye and thank you for watching.